When you're making a wrap top, you make sure you cut the back piece first, and then you use the back piece to cut your front piece. Okay, so before we get started, if you're new on this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, so that you can be able to get notification when new videos are being uploaded. And also give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any question, please do go ahead and ask me on the comment section below. So let's get right into the fold fabric into two. Take length. I will be using 21 inches, and then the width is 10.5. How I got 10.5, this is my folding. Take point, shoulder point 8 inches, slope 1.5 inches from shoulder, take armhole 8 inches from slope. Connect points. Take chest points from armhole 8 inches. Connect points.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them.
Take bust point 10.5 inches for me.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep.
Divide round bust by 4. Chalk this down on bust point, plus 1 inch sewing allowance. Go ahead and connect to chest point, then straight down. To make armhole curve, take 4 inches on armhole.
'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them.
Go ahead and cut. Cut out 2 replica fabric the same length and the same width, because one is going to be for the front and the other one is going to be the facing. Take 6 inches in. Rule a straight line. Now I'll go ahead now and bring the back piece. As you can see, this is the back piece. I'll place it from the 6 inches, and then I'll trace this part out.
'Cause I don't keep them.
For neckline, take 3.5 inches for width. Take 1.5 inch for depth on the back piece. Go ahead and cut. Take out the back piece and keep it aside, and let's work on our front piece. Now on go down by 8 inches for depth. Connect to the neck width. Take 5 inches from base. Now connect. Go ahead and cut. Remember, this is the facing, so I'll place this now on the actual top and then I'll trace it out.
I never make promises.
So now this is it. We have 2 of the facing and then we have 2 of the actual fabric. So place facing to fabric, right side to right side, and then sew on the wrong side.
'Cause I don't keep them. I never make promises.
For the band, go ahead and cut out 2 pieces, length 45 inches, width 5 inches. Fold into 2 to the wrong side and sew by half an inch.
'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't
Now flip this to the right side.
keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep
And see, you can decide to top stitch this, but me, I don't like the band from the right side, as you can see, like this. So it's inside, so when we finish sewing we can flip to the wrong side, to the right side, and then we'll see it. As you can see, the band is inside. Go ahead and sew, and for the base, sew to close that in. You can see for the back piece the facing already is done. Please, I have a previous video you can go watch to see how easy and quick you can be able to do facing for your neckline. So yeah, go watch that video. I'll be posting a link on my description box below, so go watch the video on how to do facing. And also I decided to hem the base, yeah, so that the only thing left for me to do now is to attach the front piece to this. So let's do that together. I'll be turning this to the wrong side. This is the right side, so the wrong side is behind. And then for my fabric, for this one, this is the right side, and then this is the wrong side, so the wrong side is out. I'll place this, and then this side too, I'll place this like this. So I'll go sew, and when I sew I can be able to turn this to the right side. Place your tape on the armhole to find out how many inches you need for your sleeves. For me, 9 inches. You can cut out for sleeves. Please go watch it. So I make sure I went in by 3, I came down by 5, I connected the points together, and then I calculate to get 9.5. As you can see, this is 9.5 for sewing allowance. And then on this part, on the base, I have 9 inches. So I went ahead to sew a loose stitch on the base of the sleeves. So now I will drag this. After gathering the base, place tape to make sure you get your round wrists. Cut out 2 pieces of fabric, length 9 inches. Fold this into 2 and pin to the base of the sleeves. Now sew. Go sew here by 1/2 inch. I'll come in here straight down. Now flip this to the right side. Attach sleeves to the top. Making sure these two lines align. Here and here align. Place them together. You put your hand from the wrong side and you sew. So guys, for this wrap top to be able to wrap well, one has to go inside and then the other one on top. So now from the inside, go in by 3 inches, and then from the 3 inches I'll place my tape and then 2 inches. So this part now I'll be losing with my seam ripper.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them.
Go sew like this and like this.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't